I'm sure you guys have heard of Geoffrey Hinton by now, because the name Hinton is not so unfamiliar to you, who are at the forefront of the technological wave that has arisen in the last period of time. According to the information mentioned to the BBC News service the other day, his statement turned into a somewhat controversial statement that he was leaving Google, where he worked at the time, and that the rise of AI that is now taking place is quite dangerous because it is said that it can be seen. His statement is as follows. As he mentioned here, the tools and technology used for the use of AI are not currently intelligent compared to humans, but it will be real in the near future. After he made a statement like this, Hinton, who was about 75 years old, said that he was disappointed. He said he decided to retire due to his age. However, the statement mentioned by him was subject to different options of the critics, and the point that emerges is that there is truth in it. The statement made by Hinton, a pioneer who works in connection with neural network and deep learning used for AI applications such as ChatGPT, which is currently available, as well as the opinions raised by scholars in many different fields before, there is a possibility that humans will be replaced by AI. But it can be understood that the replacement is not the people who move forward with the technology, but the people who move aside the technology. So stay tuned for more updates like this. Thanks for watching Learn with Abdiya.